Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you to unbox this Lego racing car. And if you have this 6, you can make it like this. Should we unbox now? Okay. This is the instructions and the stickers. Now I will open this first. There is 110 pieces. This is the result of my Sembo block racing car. I think the car is Formula 1. So if you wanna buy this, it is just cost 32,000 rupiah. And if you wanna attach to be a robot, you should use this piece, and you have to buy 6 because this is 6 in 1. So thank you for watching my video, and see you next time. Bye.